The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for central Dallas County and north central Texas, central Tarrant County and north central Texas until 4:45 p.m. At 1:49 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected thunderstorms with heavy rainfall 4 miles southeast of Euless, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Very heavy rains have already occurred across the warned area, and additional heavy rainfall will result in flash flooding through 4:45 p.m. Locations that will continue to be affected by heavy rain include Duncanville, Irving, Cargo Hill, Farmers Branch, Highland Park, University Park, Dallas and Garland. Do not drive through water of unknown depth. Turn around, don't drown. It only takes 2 feet of moving water to carry away most vehicles, including pickups and sport utility vehicles. Take a different route to reach your destination or wait until water recedes. Children should never play around high water, drainage ditches, storm drains, or flooded streams.
The current time is 1:51 p.m.